Hey, what's up guys? Adam at Time Warp Custom Paint here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I prep, mix, and spray a two-stage base coat, clear coat paint job. Let's get started. First, I'm going to apply limeline, wax, and grease remover to the surface to eliminate any contaminants like oil, silicone, fingerprints, or polishing residue. When wiping it down, always wipe in one direction, not in circles. Once the panel is fully clean and dry, we're going to scuff the surface using a 600 grit sanding sponge. We're not trying to remove material, we're creating a mechanical adhesion so the base coat has something to bite to. After sanding, clean the panel again with glass cleaner to remove all sanding dust and residue. If your panel has imperfections like scratches or minor low spots, now is the time to address them. I'm going to apply a primer surfacer to build up over these imperfections. Once dry, sand it smooth until the repair is level and feathered out into the surrounding area. After sanding the primer, clean the surface again to remove all dust and residue. Now I'm going to mix up Limeline Black Base Coat. This base coat is designed for excellent coverage and lays down smooth. For this project, we're reducing it 1:1 with urethane reducer. Always follow recommended mix ratios for best performance. I'll be spraying this through a 1.4mm paint gun from Limeline. When setting up your gun pattern, open the fan pattern adjustment all the way. In most cases, you want a full fan pattern for even coverage. Adjust your air pressure to around 28 to 40 psi at the gun, depending on your setup and conditions. Too little pressure creates large droplets, which will cause orange peel and texture. Proper air pressure atomizes the paint into finer particles, allowing a smoother finish. Apply the base coat using a 50% overlap pattern. I like to spray 3 to 4 medium coats, allowing 5 to 10 minute flash time between coats, depending on temperature and airflow. The goal is even coverage, not heavy and wet coats. Let the base coat do the work. Once the base coat has flashed off and has a uniform matte appearance, it's ready for Clearcoat. Clearcoat provides UV protection, chemical resistance, durability, and that deep automotive shine. I'm using Limeline acrylic urethane Clearcoat. This is mixed at a 4:1 ratio, 4 parts Part A and 1 part Part B hardener. Just like base coat, apply the clear with a 50% overlap. I like to start with a lighter tack coat, then apply 3 to 4 medium to wet coats of clear coat, allowing 15 to 20 minutes in between coats. Flash times can vary depending on temperature, humidity, and airflow. If you have any questions about base coat, clear coat, or gun setup, or even how to paint cars at home, drop them in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.